The Panama Canal is a marvel of engineering, a true testament to human innovation and determination. It slices through the Isthmus of Panama, connecting the vast waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, creating a crucial maritime shortcut. This 50-mile waterway revolutionized global trade, drastically reducing the time and distance ships had to travel. Ships no longer had to make the treacherous journey around the southern tip of South America, navigating the perilous waters of Cape Horn. The canal became a vital artery, carrying everything from oil and cars to grain and electronics, facilitating the movement of goods across continents. Over a century old, the Panama Canal remains a linchpin of global commerce, standing as a monument to engineering prowess. Millions of jobs and trillions of dollars in trade depend on its smooth operation, underscoring its economic significance. The canal's impact extends far beyond the Americas, influencing trade routes and economies worldwide. It connects North America's industrial heartland with the booming economies of Asia, fostering international trade and cooperation. It links Europe with the western shores of South America, creating a seamless flow of goods and services. This vital waterway facilitates the flow of goods and fuels economic growth worldwide, acting as a catalyst for global prosperity. The Panama Canal's significance to international trade cannot be overstated, as it remains a cornerstone of global shipping. It is a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of global interconnectedness, bridging continents and cultures.
Today, the Panama Canal faces an unprecedented threat: a severe shortage of water. The canal relies heavily on consistent rainfall to fill its locks and move ships through its channels efficiently. However, climate change is significantly disrupting the usual rainfall patterns in Panama. Droughts are becoming more frequent and increasingly severe, affecting the entire region. This persistent lack of rainfall is pushing the canal's operational capacity to its absolute limits. The very water that allows the canal to function smoothly is becoming increasingly scarce and hard to come by. The consequences of this severe water shortage are already being felt across the shipping industry. The Panama Canal Authority, which manages the canal, has been forced to impose strict restrictions on ships. Draft limits, which dictate how deep a ship can sit in the water, have been significantly reduced. This means that ships must carry less cargo to safely pass through the canal, impacting global trade. These restrictions are causing significant delays and substantially increasing shipping costs. The situation is a stark reminder of the vulnerability of even the most impressive feats of engineering to the unpredictable forces of nature.
The reduced draft limits are creating a bottleneck in global shipping. Ships carrying massive amounts of cargo, like oil tankers and container ships, are particularly affected. They must either lighten their loads or wait for rainfall to replenish the canal's water levels. These delays ripple through the global supply chain, affecting businesses and consumers worldwide. The cost of shipping goods through the canal has also risen. Shipping companies are passing these increased costs onto their customers. The delays and increased costs are impacting a wide range of industries. Manufacturers face higher costs for raw materials. Retailers struggle to keep shelves stocked. Consumers experience price hikes on everyday goods. The Panama Canal's water shortage is a stark illustration of how climate change can disrupt global trade. It underscores the interconnectedness of our world and the far-reaching consequences of environmental degradation. At the heart of the Panama Canal lies Gatun Lake, an artificial lake created during the canal's construction. This vast body of water is a marvel of engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. Gatun Lake is fed by rainfall and serves as a crucial reservoir for the canal's operation. The abundant tropical rains ensure that the lake remains filled, providing a steady supply of water. The lake provides the water needed to raise and lower ships through the canal's locks. This process is vital for the smooth transit of vessels from one ocean to another. It also acts as a navigable waterway, allowing ships to traverse a significant portion of the isthmus. This reduces the distance and time required for maritime travel. Gatun Lake is essential for the Panama Canal's functionality and efficiency. Without it, the canal would not be able to operate as effectively as it does today. However, Gatun Lake is also vulnerable to the changing climate. The lake's health is directly influenced by the environment. As rainfall patterns become more erratic, the lake's water levels fluctuate dramatically. This unpredictability poses a significant challenge. During periods of drought, the lake shrinks, jeopardizing the canal's operation. The reduced water levels can severely impact shipping schedules. The Panama Canal Authority closely monitors Gatun Lake's water levels. They use advanced technology to track changes and predict future conditions. They adjust draft restrictions and lock operations based on the lake's capacity. These measures are crucial to maintaining the canal's functionality. The health of Gatun Lake is inextricably linked to the future of the Panama Canal. Its preservation is vital for the continued success of this global maritime route. The Indio River, a lifeline for a thirsty canal. To address the water shortage, the Panama Canal Authority is pursuing ambitious solutions. One such plan involves tapping into the Indio River, a major waterway in central Panama. The plan calls for constructing a reservoir and a system of canals and tunnels to divert water from the Indio River to Gatun Lake. This project aims to supplement Gatun Lake's water supply and ensure the canal's long-term viability. However, the Indio River project faces significant challenges. Construction costs are estimated to be in the billions of dollars. Environmental concerns are also a major factor. Diverting water from the Indio River could impact local ecosystems and communities. Finding a balance between securing the canal's future and protecting Panama's environment is a delicate task. Competition on the horizon. The Panama Canal's water woes have also fueled interest in alternative shipping routes. Mexico is developing the Interoceanic Corridor, a massive infrastructure project that includes a railway and a new port on its Tehuantepec Isthmus. This corridor aims to provide an alternative to the Panama Canal for shipping goods between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. While the Interoceanic Corridor is still under development, it highlights the potential for competition to emerge as the Panama Canal grapples with its water challenges. Other countries, including Nicaragua, have also expressed interest in building canals through their territories. The Panama Canal's dominance in global shipping is not guaranteed. It faces growing pressure to adapt and innovate to remain competitive in a changing world. The future of the canal. A race against time. The Panama Canal stands at a crossroads. Its future hinges on addressing the pressing issue of water scarcity. The Panama Canal Authority is pursuing innovative solutions, but these projects are costly and time-consuming. Meanwhile, climate change continues to exacerbate the water shortage, creating uncertainty for the canal's long-term viability. The world is watching closely as the Panama Canal navigates these challenges. The canal's fate has far-reaching implications for global trade, supply chains, and the economies of nations that rely on its smooth operation. The stakes are high, and the need for sustainable solutions is more urgent than ever. A global wake-up call. The Panama Canal's predicament serves as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our world and the far-reaching consequences of climate change. What happens in Panama does not stay in Panama. The canal's water shortage has ripple effects that are felt across the globe, disrupting supply chains, increasing costs, and highlighting the vulnerability of critical infrastructure to environmental degradation. The situation in Panama should serve as a wake-up call to the international community. Climate change is not a distant threat. It is a present reality with tangible consequences. Addressing climate change requires global cooperation, innovation, and a commitment to sustainable practices. The time for action is now, charting a course through troubled waters. The Panama Canal's story is far from over. It is a story of human ingenuity, global interconnectedness, and the challenges posed by a changing climate. Finding a sustainable path forward for the canal requires collaboration, innovation, and a shared commitment to protecting our planet. The world will be watching as Panama charts a course through these troubled waters. The decisions made today will shape the future of global trade, the health of our planet, and the well-being of generations to come. The Panama Canal story is a reminder that we are all connected and that the choices we make today will have lasting consequences.